So you have to open the cage and break it. I don't know, there's this
I think there is like a break ejection.
certain way.
A certain way? I'm going to determine that now. Yeah, I know. But no one gave me instructions.
No. You're supposed to do like a square thing, open it.
Mm-hmm. Breaking news?
You have to break it.
I see. So constantly separate. I don't want to crush you guys. Alright. This is not necessarily this. Slowly working a bit. It's happening. You and me. Let's go.
Still working on it?
Still working on it. It's not obvious to me. Come on, guys. You ready? Just need to break this. Okay. Lift and separate. Ooh, you have a nice breeze.
They're gone.